Understand, right?
Good afternoon, Doctor. Or good morning, Doctor.
Good morning.
You spoke about men aging earlier than women,
Yes.
if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
But when I grew up, I learned that a woman grows older than a man earlier, especially when you marry, the woman is tied up by the way of giving birth.
Yes.
And then she grows older than you.
Yes.
This is why you find men running to remarry fresh ladies. Because she'll be worn out. That is the belief that I grew up in the atmosphere that I was.
Yes, sir.
Now you are coming in with a new version.
Yes, sir.
Today I need something which to me sounded very funny. That a man grows older than a woman.
So that's true.
Can you repeat that one? I didn't
Yes.
get you.
Yes.
Is that true anyway?
Yes. Allow me to explain.
Thank you.
So you are right and I am right. In terms of physical health, that's the body. Women age faster than men. That's the body. And it's the reason ngeyokuzala. The more a woman continues ukuzala baba, uyaguga umzimba. But not ingqondo. So ubaba umzimba uyabokhona. But ingqondo I think in my gift you can. How much time would you give me for questions? Okay, so at least if someone can in my yeah, Baba.
Siyabonga ngilombuzo ukuthi ngingahamba industrial side kathesi amakhampani amaningi avaliwe
Yes.
isayini yokuthi obaba abasekho emsebenzini
Yes, that's true.
ekukhulumeni kwenu i-economic dimension le recession eseZimbabwe la iyakhoza okuningi elikhuluma ngakho la
Yes.
ngoba ubaba wadalela ukusebenza nokuproduce
Yes.
sikwenza njani ngoba ezinkulumeni zethu lapha kukhanya ngani emotional psychological but isiqokoqela sendaba if a man is economically castrated kuhle kuchaya imoto kuyaba le system shut down and ingaba le system shut down sokusenza ukuthi okunye konke lokhu sokungani ngama byproducts elikukhuluma ngakho la
Yes.
kuyenziwa njani how do we deliberately as men resuscitate this economic animal ngoba eZimbabwe sibili singayenza isurvey yakhona ukelikhomba ngakho most of these things esikhipho kathesi we are no longer the providers.
Yes.
I-dimension elikhulume ngayo leyo kuya ngomama la ongakwazi ukubona ukuthi ubaba akakwazi ukuproduce ukuthi lami ngincedise abanye omama bakwenza vele kwesi ukuthi ugcine vele ususifa uhlezi ekhaya ngenxa yokuthi naturally i-economy inokuningi okutshoyo ngakho konke lokhu esikhuluma ngakho even the-spirituality the relationship between the economic aspect lapho konke lokhu elikukhulumayo siyenze njani ngoba khonapha kade khonapha kade sikhonapha imisebenzi lokusebenza abaningi azisebenzi ungathatha isurvey khonapha vele imali yiyo esitshayayo siyenze njani mamkwenza ukuthi sibe ne-mental health e-right ngoba i-mental health sesiyidinge thina obaba singala mali sihlala ngemali ukuthi aze sidinge i-mental health.
Ngiyabonga baba. I just wanted ukufaka ama-statistics obulawayo lawo, so that masiphendula right. Mental health baba is not corporate. Akula group mental health. Akula church mental health. Akula family mental health. There is a person's mental health. So mental health is personal. That's one thing we need to know. So even with our pressures of economy, it comes down to your personal mental health. That's what we were saying. What the men of today, right? This is what I did as a research in 2023 from Kadoma. Sabuya Pepe, I went to Fulabusi, Bait Bridge, Cholochwe, Mbanje, Ngale, Plumtree, household to household. My dissertation was to check ukuthi indoda isimunuliwe yini kumbe ama-roles se-reversile in our setup. So reversal of roles ukuthi i-society yethu isiyenza ukuthi bomama babe ama-providers, obaba babe ama-dependents. Or it's because the man has lost his manhood. Then I discovered that every 2 families I was going, they were saying the boy child, the man, or the husband is useless. I even used it there. 1 in 2 families have a useless brother, a useless boy, a useless husband, a useless malume, a useless uncle. They were using the word useless, so they write useless, useless. And then I realized every 2 families, 1 family is saying useless, 1 family is saying sinobaba. So it means 50% some families, they see their husbands, fathers, men useless. And then 1 in 2 families have a female-headed family. Abosisi bosebusa emulini bobuja basakhanyi ukuthi bangaphi. And it was 1 in 2 families. 1 in 2, they are saying their homes is izindlu eluveve or umuzi wangikhaya nawana. They will be telling you ukuthi Dr. Ndebele uyibona yabona indlu le yamasenge le. Intombazana yami liyana iseGoli. Intombazana yami ise-America. Kanti babalini abafana uzothi Ndebele. Abafana. So girls are building homes. Abafana banga. So these are the statistics. So that's what I'm saying, Ubaba. The society, the individual must now change some of the notions esilazo. If a husband is retrenched today, M17, indoda le ingakasebenzi. Njengomama ubusekhathi Ndebele, khona uretrenchiwe ulokufuka ukutile khona kuthini. Abuye sebenza. Are we together? But uNdebele, after his retrenchment, only about 6 months to a year in grief of the job that he has lost. So his mental state is not as creative. Ukuthi abe le aggression ukuthi ngiyengwava, he doesn't even know ukuthi ungwava konke uqhalela ngapi. Most of the times you were a corporate manager, company car, company house, school fees paid by the company, and then suddenly you are retrenched. You don't know ukuthi ama-street atshisa njani. Konapho mina ngibuya ngefire ngithi wena hamba ema-streetini, uhamba uyasilethela imali. uNdebele is still crying ukuthi akusela secretary olethe ithi ngo-8. Khathesi sokusezafika ngo-1. Nkaya kungabhekwanga. But that's his mental health. Ngiyangizwa yini ngoba? So by the time uNdebele said sokuza kuthi dlwe kuye ukuthi umsebenzi awusekho. Most of the times we say between 6 months to a year indoda will be grieving. And then says abhakama nje nge-aggression seqalisa ukudinga umsebenzi. During that time, Baba, there is a need for support system. Ukuthi umama okhona, osisi okhona, bengakhulumi lokho ukuthi sesithengela abobhuti ama-airtime. But during that period, we need to help that person ukuthi aze akhuphe ku-economic incarceration yona leyo. So it works both ways. Omama bazafundiswa ukuthi it's not ubaba kuphela kumele abe breadwinner. And if as a mama ungathenga ukudla ungamkhulumeli ubaba ukuthi uyahlafuna inyama nalo yakwazi ukuthi izoyilafuna inyama yakho.
Sawubona. Sawubona ngoba ngithanda ukubonga Dokotela ngesifundo esi-relevant to the gentleman. Madoda hlelisi kakade sihambe ngoba sitshela at least opposite sex. Basitshela okuyikho kanye. Kodwa futhi besitshela okuyithi bethu. Mina ngingambuza ngifuna ukukhomenta umanani kuyiyo. Kodwa bengifuna ukukhuluma mama ukuthi thina njengebandla lesabatha sometimes we lack support system as men. Kuze kube ngcono abantu abanathayo because abanathayo nxa benatha balela ama-circles abo lapho abakwanisa futhi ukushare information to each other. Lanxa kusesikhathi betshelana ama-advices adumo, but at least those people bayaleshare information. Esabatheni ungathi kuyasibela, angazi ukuthi kungancediswa njani obaba ukuthi sincedisane ukuthi lapho esikhona kuze kube ngcono amakhulu bahlabelayo njenganana nxa bangaba ngabangani. Kulabanye baba natural abacabanga ukuthi ukuba kuma-circles sibe yi-team sibonisane. Uyabona susembula indaba zendlini yakho njengoba nisifundisile nge-secrecy. So abantu abangababa abaningi bayathanda ukufihla kakhulu izinto yikho singilile. Okunye mama okuzasilimaza ikhona ukuthi obaba thina indlela sasocializwa ngayo ukuthi vele kumele sifundele ukuthi siqhatshwe sithole imisebenzi e-right ukuze nathi sibe ngabantu abahloniphekayo phakathi kwesigaba. That's why if in the church abantu abasebenzayo kungazathi bona yibo abangathi abaqakathekileyo. Yethu labanye abantu abazisebenzayo besenza futhi imali eningi kwedlula abasebenzayo emkhatshini. Kukhanye sengazathi asibantu ngenxa yokuthi sometimes very humble because bona nethu izinto ezibanika imali. So ngicabanga ukuthi lapha siphuma ngibona iprogram yethu vele wazithela made ukuthi sifundiswe ukuthi sesisuka la kumele sifoma amaqembu amancane lapho esiba nabangani khona sishare khona ama-problems kwabanye bethu. Number one ukuthi umama lapha phezu kwalokho singagqini ngomsebenzi kuphela kodwa sidinge nini izinto ezasiphilisa ukuthi even the day umsebenzi uphelile singaphangisa ukufa ingqondo zibulawa i-depression, the-anxiety just because ansakwanisa ukumaintain lifestyle engayiphila isasebenza. So yikho ibandla lesabatha lisilungisela ama-programs anjenganala singahlekile kuphela kodwa kasivuleni amehlo sikhangele. Kulabanye ubaba abasembulo, I'm sorry to say that. Kulabanye abantu abacabanga ukuthi khona ukuba yibo kwabo abamenanga badlelane ngobanye abantu they think they're so special futhi babangathi bangcono kwabo banezinto. But kule day lapho izinto ezizaphela khona uzabusubuya kithi futhi ithi sabe sikuncedisa ngapha sikubuthi. So kuhle kathesi usabili right, get close to other people so that we can share those little problems. Akulanda ukuthi ngokukhulu ngokuncane. Ngiyabonga.
Salwana Ligodon. Hello? Ngiyabonga Dr. Ngibonele thuba ngishayele ubaba uNdebele ihlombe ukuthi wathola umama bakuye ukuthi lokho akukhulumayo kwenza ngobani. Wathola umama ubonge manje kunengi shela abaningi balakofu bajini iminingi nakuza kwenu kuzoyiwani usupport breadwinner ekhaya. Ngoba abantu bonke laba ngiyethemba some of them they've tried madam doctor ukuthi ingabi breadwinner kuphela kuqala. But then bese ngisithi kathi ngisebenzisa umama ukuthi angincediseke ngifundise abe ngudokotela njengawo. Abe senje ukuthi I'm not tight. So that's the challenge that these people are facing when they're trying to support their wives to make sure that when they die, nabo babe ngama-breadwinner owabasebenza.
Yes, siyabonga. Amanye ngama-social issues, they also affect our mental health. But I would want to say ukuthi emolini singachitha igama lokuthi imali yami, imali yakho, we will solve a lot of things. Then imali becomes imali yefamily. Konke ekutholileyo nalokho okuthulwe nguNdebele becomes our family money. So at what stage does it become mine? So those are some of the things, but it takes time emulini ukuthi kube njalo. And secondly, bobaba, you also have to pick up ipace yomkakho. Aleni sokuyiqiniso. Abomama these days, they are very ambitious. Abomama these days bayafunda. Uzobone ku-masters, ephethe i-masters, sephenukwenza i-PhD, usibanjani. Uzolupa, kungathi Dr. Ndebele and Mr. Ndebele. Hayi, iqiniso leli, ukuthi siye ezulwini. UMr. Ndebele kumele abone ukuthi yeyi, lo muntu uyahamba yena laye akazame nje amabhinda ukonayo ukuthi lakhe akameyo nje angazi ukuthi uyenzani. But most of the times igap ingaba too wide. Sometimes even umama engakukhulumanga wena uyabosufila inadequate wena ngokwakho. So just also try to keep me pace engathi certificate education, when education awuyithandi awutshaye certificate yecarpenter. Yabona? Yeah, utshaye lawo engathi diploma wena lawo utshaye diploma yakho nokukwanisayo. Kungcono nanokusalela emuva ngoba kusasa uyabe esekukhuluma esekuphendula ngesikhiwa wena isikhiwa singasaphumi.
Siyabonga. Ngithanda ukubonga nge-presentation esithe sayilalela kanje. Avike kumkhithileyo ku-presentation le. Xa uyenza into leyo, what is important ukuthi si-accept ukuthi there is a problem. I-challenge ekhona yenza ukuthi abantu singafuni ukuthi si-accept ukuthi there is a problem. It's because we want to run away to seek help. And from my observation, we accept which problems are. When as an individual, maybe that's the first step of every year. You will never in any way seek for help when you are defensive, when you have got many answers that are answering the wrong question. Issues of mental health is about accepting. You go to your corner, move away from the group, close yourself there. Do I have a problem? Ask yourself. So I know the doctor has shared quite important information. Not for academic purposes, but for life purposes. You have to ask yourself, do I have a problem? Do I need help? Maybe that was my first observation. Number two, the issue of authority, the issue of age, the issue of status, ever a barrier to seeking services. Somebody in authority, who held the change is being covered by a mental health case. But because of the authority, you want to run away with the authority to your demise. So when it comes to use of mental health, reduce yourself. Understand who you are. Don't let other people interpret who you are. The problem is yours. And how it is weighing heavy for you is for you only. There are people who want to have our collective problems. There's nothing called a collective problem. Because in the latest time, I favor you only like $50. Every disaster to me. Or don't you say like $50, this is nothing. So let's also appreciate umuntu unale problems, engena through challenges. Let's not measure a problem yabo using what we've gone through. That's their own issue. But I wanted to come on the issue of age and authority. Abantu abaku-authority abaningi akufuni ukudinga inendawo of support. You want to run away with the authority, usuffer unjalo bekukhangela abantu, you are suffering. Then another thing I would change my comment on this one. Which as a church, we are living in God. But where are we going? Just speak to the churches. We'll go back to churches. We'll default to the same behavior as Africa. Do we have those mental health platforms where when I need help, Dr. Ndebele, I can say from my church, I can go there. From the conference, I can go there. From the corporate world, I can go there. I think some of these things, you identify the problem, but at the end of the day, where do I go? Is you to go to Dr. Houses? We won against the end of almost 500 to 301. Even as a sudden condition came about. Severe and adding Moses, the general says, who do you have more make sure that you appoint other people to help you. Something like the church, this also strengthen the resource making in our church. Whom do we have? And I respect this our people are seated here. I guarantee you there's enough manpower to support direction in mental health interventions. Otherwise, without deliberate effort, cents are done. Definitely, it might become a talk, which is very exciting, but at the end of the day, what is important is the intervention. Where do you put it?
So, 6 in 10 minutes, I think. So, see if this so let's get over.
Could we about how much the early stage for money damages us with that?
Yes.
In closing mature. Including data. So what expire? And 18 years expire with data. You'll be seeing how struggles come up and trying to pitch up.
Yes.
Then I know most of us running our lives in Ghana.
Yes.
So I see ukubonile ukuhlupheka kwamama in our dream bekuyikuthi one day ube la uphathe mama something ayebeke.
Yes.
And it even forces us ukuthi impilo omncane la uqayise ukuthi imali lami isikhathi kwaba from 25 sokwenza ukuthi ngephela kube namdini imali ukuthi hayi namhla mama ngizuzile. And from there on siyaphambili kept on kakade yasilonke kwami and size ngathelela lo mna wami lapha.
Yes.
Ukungava kwakhona. So my question is, how do we recover from such?
So, you actually need what is called trauma-focused therapy. Ngoba most of the times, if abafana are raised by a single mother, what sends them ukuthi baqalise ukudinga imali is not because of the passion, but because of the trauma. Ukubona umama ehlupheka and ukubona ukuthi izinto azimanga kahle. So you realize ukuthi because of that trauma which has not been dealt with, we keep passing trauma from our children to our children, children's children, until it becomes a family of trauma. Ukuba le mali does not mean ukuthi you are trauma safe. But go back to your childhood. Indlela okhuliswe ngayo most of the time shapes the way you treat other people. You actually manage your situations. So there is what is called trauma-focused therapy, where we just look at the trauma which is peculiar to you and then find ways in which we can help you to deal with those traumas, so that even as you make money, you are not injuring other people in you making money. That's essentially the approach that we make. We don't judge a background because life is different. Abanye bafelwa ngabazali, abanye umzali kamazi, but we have to deal with that individual at personal level. Yebo baba.
Ngiyabonga. Sabona nibathandekayo. Mina nginokubuza lapha ukuthi kuma social media kulezinye izinto sizifundiswayo ezingani sisala singasizwisisi. Sicela ukuthi sazi ukuthi kuliqiniso yini noma ayisiloqiniso. Njalo nxa kungayisiloqiniso singakubhalansisa ngayiphi. Uthi kuthiwa khona into enza khathesi abafana abakhulayo bagcine bengena ezintweni izidakamizwa nokwenza labo baba basesibancane bangene kunamali. Ukuthi khathesi sokuphakanyiswa kakhulu ngiyawuchaya. Ukukhangelelwa phansi kumfana. Ngenxa ekhona kukhanya ngani lakho. Kuliqiniso yini ukuthi ikho lokho okubangela i-problem ezesinazo. Khathesi lapho esulusilapha. Abadala bebandla sebethe kakufakwa amasola kuma-hostels sokuqalele emankazaneni abafana sebesipeyisa.
Ngiyabonga baba. Kuyiqiniso but angeke ngithi yilo iqiniso elilodwa. Yes. Yeah, our programs which were NGO funded, most of them, they were coming for the girl child. So the girl child has got opportunities. But right now I'm looking for an NGO, a funder, abafana, ayikho engiyazi. So it's about the girl child, it's about our mama, women initiatives and all. Secondly, Bobaba Abala also initiative for the other men. That's the problem which we also have. Which Bobaba, they are funding the girl child and they are also not funding their own. I don't know whether it's because Bobaba they want to sometimes to a man it makes sense the king amongst the blind. So some of those things, those thinking mechanisms must come out. But as it is right now, the girl child is ahead of the boy child. So imbalance is going to come if abanye bethu are actually going to rise up and now make initiative for the boy child. Otherwise, the girl child will continue. What is the boy child is a little bit. Yeah.
Dr. I have a leading question.
Yes.
I am talking about neurons, right?
Yes, neurons.
How they affect mental health, and I've also heard that they are involved in retaining information.
Yes.
Logically, I think that should affect academic performance somehow. So since you say it men use more neurons than women,
Yes.
like is there a way of boosting the growth of neurons, whether nutritionally, socially, or whatever?
Yes, there is a way of boosting. It's just not because of our time and so I normally teach this one when I'm dealing with dementia. So for Moto Baba, what we normally say is the nut family, omega-3 from fish, Amazamban of all type, they help in maintaining our neurons, a brain Baba. So from the time you are young, umfana must be given enough food to develop the brain. Ngike ngayenza i-presentation leyo ukuthi akula umfana okhuliswa ngepizza akula indoda ekhulayo ngama-chips ama-hot chips akukho. There is a food specific for men and ukudla khonoko kumele kuphekwe ukuthi ingqondo sidevelophe. Otherwise ngaphandle kokudevelopa there is also what we call mental kwashiorkor. Ingqondo iyaba incane brain atrophy, because I told you. Then with men, we always say, every day, give yourself 1 full hour. Yokuba libhuku, not from your phone, but a solid book. So as you read, those neurons remain alive. So you actually look at abadala, ababeloku bebala, ingqondo zabo azigugi masinya. But ungayekela ukubala, that's the fastest way of neuronal loss. The brain works this way, Obaba. You use it, you develop it. You lose it, you don't use it, you lose it. So Mauma 70, certain part of your brain, you lose it because it's not being used. So that's what you actually need to do every day without fail. We are not pushing for that thing which is not worry. We are pushing for functional independence. Sithi umuntu ongubaba ukuthi engalahlekelwi nge-mental health kumele azimele engayami kulo muntu ongumama. I have seen in my practice as a medical doctor, umama engakuba, ubaba ma engathathanga, within a year laye uyabe sefile most of the time. But ubaba engakuba, umama engasala, engaphila more than 10, 20 years, even engathathanga. Ngoba umama une-functional independence. Uyakwanisa ukuziphekela, athathe kuba angene emasimini, aphenduke lesinye isikhathi amunyise umntwana, ayenze konke engumuntu oyi-1. But ubaba within 3 months, so kumele athathe lesinye isikhathi aze athathe kubi futhi. Ngoba sefuna ukuwatshelwa, sefuna uku-ayinelwa, sefuna ukuphekelwa. So we are saying, uzimele wena ukwanisa ukuziyenzela izinto. Umama ma engekho kune conference yabo mama, ngene kitchen, thatha impuphu, thatha inyama oyifrye mawusidla inyama, uphike vegetarian food yakho, uqedile uclean ikitchen, ugesi izitsha, uhambe uyelana, uvuke ekuseni, ulungise umbheda, uthanyele indlu, and then usibanjalo. That's what we are saying. Ngaphandle kwakho nokho uyaba ne-mental illness.
Yes, I was touched by the thing that there are some people that are described as useless.
Yes.
Yeah, now that you're doing a research in Makai, it also applies it.
Yes.
So, then, I'm here to say we need to have those initiatives as made
Yes.
to help other people. Now, I'm appealing to all the fathers, boys who are here. Sometimes there are organizations that do training. So, in the past, we were saying age limit is what? 30 years for training. But now, the age limit that we have is 65. So to those men that are deemed useless, we can make them become
Useful.
useful. Right? So to you who is listening right now, right? From 18 years to 65 years, if you visit us, then you like it. We do some trainings. What makes me happy is that one of the trainees on our recent training was a male who was 67 years. After training, our training is only 21 days. After training, he calls us after 2 weeks, says that well, and he even goes further to say, I'm getting $900 a month. So I'm saying to all those that are listening now, we have maybe your place to become a man again. So this is an initiative for other men. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And initiative lay ngoba you realize ukuthi abafana bethu sometimes bayangena to the age of 30 bengakwanisi ukulungisa umbhede okuhlanyela umbhida
Yes. So
because the skill is not there.
It's true. So somebody say, contact yes. So can you get my number? 0778.
Come again?
0778 45 44 44. 0778 45 44. Lala, no nakit.
Thank you, Baba.
Lithithile ukuba amadoda awafuni ukuthi they are vulnerable. Njalo lathile ukuthi nothing wrong in vulnerability. Right. Kuyase ngibuza ukuthi kuyakuright yini ukutshengisele ebantwaneni ukuba ngihluphekile emoyeni I'm just vulnerable. Umntwana sekuya kimi ulambile lami sengitshela lami ngilambile umntwana Anto, mama, umntwana oxotshiweyo awubadalanga esikolo. Manje sithi mama sekhala ingakake sengikhala futhi anto i-chance i-vulnerability yami ebantwaneni mama then awusizi a-breadwinner a-breadwinner ukuthi salise kuphela umama kodwa kuyayinelisa ukugcina abantwana.
Ngiyabonga baba bathi besingakhulumi nge-vulnerability enjalo. I-vulnerability esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ukubuya kumama or even ukuphuma egcekeni ebantwaneni ukuthi these days angilayo imali. Lami ngiyayidinga, ngiyasebenza. Lingibekezelele bakithi, lingafaki pressure. Ma ungakhulumanga, abantwana bayathi ikona imali. Ngiyake ngimuzwe uNdebele ethi sinomntwana ethu omncane okuthi ungunathi. Kavumi ukuthi ubabake kanamali. Every time uthi hamba uyethatha laphana uthethe khona ikona imali. Aze acabanga ukuthi i-ATM card ihlala ligcwele imali sonke isikhathi. So uzoyithi swipe. But vulnerability ukuphuma egcekeni ukuthi these days nazinzile imali le uyayifuna kodwa angikabi nayo. Asisebenze lalokho okukhona for now angila imali. Not ukuthi ukhale ube hayi, no, that's not the vulnerability we're talking about.